Hello my food lovers, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy and delicious chicken bread box patties. A perfect snack that's crunchy on the outside and creamy inside. Stay tuned till the end for some amazing cooking tips and health benefits. First, preparing the chicken filling. Take 1 cup boiled and shredded chicken in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon finely chopped onion and half teaspoon salt. Mix in 2 tablespoon mayonnaise for a creamy texture. Finally add 1 tablespoon coriander leaves and mix everything well. You can get creative and add cheese, veggies or even spicy sauces to make different versions of this snack. Keep aside. Preparing the bread base. Take a bread slice and cut off the edges. Use fresh bread for better binding and crispiness. Spread a thin layer of tomato sauce on one side. Place some chicken mixture over it and spread evenly. Swap mayonnaise with Greek yogurt and use whole wheat bread for a healthier version. Cover with another bread slice to make a sandwich. Prepare a flour slurry by mixing 1/4 cup of flour with 1/3 cup of water. Chicken provides essential protein that helps build muscle and keeps you full longer. Bread and mayonnaise give quick carbohydrates and healthy fats for energy. Dip the prepared bread in the slurry, ensuring an even coat. Roll it in the breadcrumbs for a crispy coating. This recipe is perfect for kids' lunchboxes, tea time snacks, or party appetizers. Heat oil on medium flame and fry until golden brown and crispy. Freeze for 10 minutes before frying to prevent breaking. Did you know this dish is inspired by classic bread patties but with a crunchy twist? For a healthier version, try air frying or baking instead of deep frying. And that's it! Your crispy and cheesy chicken bread box patty is ready to serve. Enjoy it with ketchup or your favorite dip. Love crispy snacks? Hit the like button if you are excited to try this. What's your favorite way to enjoy chicken snacks? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy recipes.